And right now, I'm choosing to using another models like a single cutaway, just like this. Maybe wait. Why? It's because my song or my band, it really needs a lot of lot of dimension, a lot of experiment sound. So I must to seek another sound that not only the sound but also in this sound I can get it. So maybe that's the point. And I love the models because I love the models. It's really beautiful. A single cutaway. It's like a neoclassic FGN. It's really beautiful. Well, what I'm feeling about FGN choose me to be their official international artist is I'm really grateful. I'm really happy, and also really excited in the future with FGN. And I hope you guys can see what in the future with me and my band and with my project with FGN. So stay tuned with me.